Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yours truly, Johnny Belize, and today we are at Townsend Inlet because this is where Judy hangs out at, right, Jude? This is where all the cool kids hang out at. So it's my first time here at Townsend Inlet. Good part is so far, as you can see, we got the bridge. So you got all this shade here. So I don't need to bring my little bitch tent because I don't like the sun. But anyway, we're gonna take a look around, and looks like an actual cool spot. The only bad part about it was there was a lot of traffic. And we came in through the Seattle area. But we're gonna spin this around and show you guys the sights and sounds of Townsend Inlet. You got some people here just coming in. You got the fishing rods. Looks like a lot of beach fishing here. A lot of beach fishing. Got the kids playing football. This is the Hot Mom Club. Hot Mom Club. Steve's Pimp Daddy.
Hi, Brittany. Finally, nice to meet you. I see you all the time.
Are you girls a part of the Hot Mom Club?
No, don't do that.
All right.
I love your dog.
So here we got the guys here fishing. Beach fishing. Pretty cool. And as I said, you got the bridge above. So that way, if you're not a sun guy, you can sit here underneath the bridge where I got my station. And you got people walking around. A lot of beach fishing going on here. I should have bought my rod. Should have bought the rod. It actually looks pretty cool. You can see here, it spins around. It's like the edge here. Really cool. Maybe we'll see somebody catching some fish. We'll get the boats out there, come through, jet skis out there. Tell you what, water's rocking. I think I throw up. Yeah, I can't do that. It's all on land. So, hopefully we'll catch somebody reeling in. Some good stuff here. If they do, this is my crew here. Boats coming in. Good spot. Got the plane up there bringing something. Look at this. All right. Let's park it up, fellas. Let's go. Yo, what's up? We got some good stuff going on here. This is a competitive game. We got some major shit going on. Let's go. Oh, man. There's a lot of chicks watching this stuff. You guys making. Come on, do.
9-4.
Are you ready? God!
Last round.
10-4.
All right.
11-4.
So here we are at Townsend Inlet. This side over here is Sea Isle. And you follow the bridge all the way over. And I believe it's Avalon. And good sights, a lot of fishermen. Got the boats coming through still. Wonder how much that baby goes for. That's a nice yacht. These dudes here look like they're racing in. That's a problem with boats. Sometimes you don't know if people are out there drinking. They're doing flying, boys. Just gotta slow up, no wake here. And all the guys fishing out here. Beautiful sounds. Welcome to the summer of 2022. It is just kicking off. People out on the beach, down inlet. Enjoy, people. Enjoy. Happy summer. Bridge getting ready to pop up. We got the party boat, looks like, coming in. Far she blows. Coming through, fishing and cruising, having a good time out there, I guess. Getting ready to go out.